Hi everybody, Peter Zalom's Griniflix Adventure 8, and I hope you've had a happy holiday, happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, and we're probably heading into the new year now by the time you've watched this video, or anybody that's watching the video after New Year, Happy New Year. Today's video is about making NFTs. You may have heard of NFTs, non-fungible tokens. They are smart contracts in the crypto world that can be applied to anything that is created, a contract or a photograph, a video, a piece of music or whatever. So I thought, well, this channel is about photography, adventure travel, etc. Let's see whether I can make an NFT, and what does that mean, and is it useful, and is this something useful for you too if you're into photography. Anyway, so let's have a look at what the whole process is, and that might also inspire you to do something similar. Why would you want an NFT? Good question. Maybe it's just the way the future is going. Things are going to be around NFTs, so hope you enjoy this video. Okay, let's get started. So I'm breaking down this process of creating my first NFT, and I'm going to be calling my NFT is going to be for a photograph, and it's going to be called Emu Eyes. And I've broken it down into 9 steps, so you can go from basically zero knowledge to your first NFT. And here we go. So the first step will be to develop your own knowledge around anything to do with crypto. Next step will be decide which of your collections are to be used for the NFT. Artwork, photography, music, video, whatever. Then the next step is create a crypto exchange where you can transfer your money, and it's going to be in US dollars or Australian dollars or any other currency around the world, central bank currency. Now all those central bank currencies, whatever currency you're using, is called a fiat currency. And you want to be able to transfer into a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever. The next step will be to create a crypto wallet where you can store your NFTs. Then next step is choose an NFT marketplace where your NFT can be created, where it can be made visible to others, and where your NFT can be discovered, bought and or sold, on-sold in fact. Next step is decide how the value will be associated with your NFT. We'll talk about that more. And then there's a process of actually creating your NFT. Then there is a process of promoting your NFT. And if you're successful in your whole process, then repeat that process, get better, do another NFT, and good luck. Would probably be the summary of the journey that we'll be going through right now. So the first step is to do your own research, DYOR. And YouTube is without a doubt one of the best sources of doing that. So I have a number of channels that I follow. One of those is Real Vision Finance for the macro view, as well as great education recommendations. Also Coin Bureau, and a fantastic channel for education and up-to-date news. Cryptos R Us is another one that I follow, and that is really up-to-date daily information about what's going on. And also Altcoin Daily. They are 4 channels that I would probably recommend to get started with, and obviously do your own research for more information. Okay, the next task, you have to decide what are you actually going to create an NFT for. So my art that I'm going to use is a photograph. Now, one good way to do that is look at past your portfolio. So I'm looking at my adventure8.com.au Instagram page, and I've got a whole bunch of photographs there. I decided to just go through those and see what sort of photograph I could do that I could use maybe as my first NFT. And having scrolled through that, I decided it's going to be this one here. Emu Eyes. Well, I'm calling it Emu Eyes. And it's simple. It can be adjusted as far as post editing is concerned, and I can create a number of images of this photograph, and that can be in my collection. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be actually creating 5 different images of this one, which will be my first collection. The next step is to create a crypto exchange. Now, if you're in Australia, I'd probably recommend, now I'm not actually, let's go back one more step here. With regards to anything financial, I'm not a financial advisor. This is purely for education. Do your own research. And so I always have to put that disclaimer in when it comes to anything to do with crypto, I suppose. So having said that, what I've found from my own education is that the Swyftx exchange seems to be a very good one here in Australia for cryptocurrencies, to be able to take your currency and put it into crypto. And what I liked about Swyftx was the ease of use, the intuitive platform, the ease of learning about this platform and how to actually transfer money from your Australian bank account into crypto, and also the customer service that goes with this particular organization. It is an Australian organization and they've been very successful, so I would recommend them. There is an affiliate link down in the description in the video. If you wish to support the channel, please do use that affiliate link. I also have another exchange which I use, which is Coinbase. For international users, as well as people here in Australia, I did set up another exchange, and that is Coinbase. And the reason for that is because I want to set up the Coinbase wallet for my NFTs. So it is a wallet as opposed to the Coinbase exchange. They're two different things. The wallet is a mobile app, and you'll see that you've got your coins in the app as well, or a record of your coins, as well as your record of your NFTs. So that's the thing that you need, is you need to store your NFTs somewhere, and that's where you need the wallet, so Coinbase wallet. Right, step 5, we are plowing through this process. Next, you need to have a marketplace for your NFT, and one of the most popular marketplaces is called OpenSea. We can explore what's actually on OpenSea right now, and we've got all sorts of NFTs here. So for example, here's one that's really popular, the Mutant Ape Yacht Club. If we click on there, we'll be able to see all sorts of NFTs that are available. And there you go. So this is artwork, but there are photographs as well. You can go to all sorts of, let's have a look at the resources, create, stats, explore, photographs, and we can see different types of collections. Here's one, for example, and you can see the type of work that people are putting up, and also you can see what sort of prices there are. So this is Ethereum. So one Ethereum is probably worth about $4,500 US. So that's what you're paying for some of these NFTs. Great artworks, and there's a lot there. You can see if we explore, we've got art, collectibles, domain names, music, photography, sport, trading cards, utilities, visual works, etc. All right, so OpenSea is the marketplace that I've decided to use. Okay, so here's my OpenSea account, Adventurate. And the next step is to actually work out the value. Now, it's the value that you're going to charge for your NFT, but also the value that you're going to bring to the person that purchases your NFT. And I'll talk about that a little bit more towards the end of this video. And here is my NFT. Incredible. There is a process that I go through to actually create these, but I won't cover that in this video. I will cover it in another video. There are other channels as well you can go to actually work out how to create NFTs using OpenSea. But I've created 5 images of emu eyes. These are some other NFTs that I've created for my Adventurate channel. Actually, I've created NFTs for my domain names as well. So there's adventurate.wallet, .nft, .crypto, .coin, Bitcoin, 888, adventurate.x as well. Then there could be channels, there could be websites that will create around those NFTs at some stage in the future. But right now, I'm not using any of those NFTs. However, I have created Emu Eyes. So that's actually a collection. Venturate my collections, okay? So these are my collections. And if I just go to Emu Eyes, then there it is, Emu Eyes. Emu Eye collection. 5 NFTs, 1 owner, and the floor price for all of these NFTs is 0.2 ETH. Ethereum, 0.2 ETH. There they are. Emu Eyes. Which one do you like the best? I will leave that for you to choose. But anyway, they are there. Incredible. So excited. Now, coming to the final steps is once you've created your NFT, you have to tell people about it, and ways to do that is through social media. My choice of social media is YouTube, and that's the reason why I'm making this video, which will be published shortly for you to view. The more you do this, the better you get at it, the better collection you'll have, the more inviting and popular your NFTs possibly could become over the years or each time you try. And either you do it for fun, or you actually might make some money as well, make some living out of your NFTs, which would be very nice as well. So that is it. And then it's just a matter of repeating the process and getting better at it. Well, I hope you found this video interesting. My first NFT, an emu eyes. Did you find them attractive? Would you want that NFT? Well, I guess time will tell to see whether anyone actually buys it and what value it may be in the future. The value of NFTs is interesting. Everything's around supply and demand, but what's also happening around NFTs is added value that is given or that's associated with that NFT. So what I'm going to do with my first lot of Emu Eyes NFTs actually is put extra value associated with those NFTs. And what that value is basically anyone that owns Emu Eyes NFT will be entitled to a 10% discount off my guiding fees for any of my trips going forward for the future. For life. Anyone holding that NFT. So 10% off is quite significant, particularly if you do one of my 2-week adventure tours. There is a guiding fee plus expenses associated with the tour. So it's a guiding fee component that I'm taking 10% off. So you could quite easily just recoup the entire value of the NFT just with that one component, added value component. So that's how NFTs work. Besides the supply and demand aspect, it's what our additional value is associated with that NFT. I hope that sort of helps with the understanding how that actually, what the benefit is of an NFT when it comes to anything. Do your own research, you'll find out more. There's a lot on the internet about this sort of stuff. Where could there be the next opportunity to join one of my tours? Well, actually, I'm actually planning one to go from Alice Springs back to Sydney, and that's going to be in the first week of February 2022. So if you are interested in joining the tour, I guess it would probably be more of a photographic tour if that's of interest to you. Then do contact me and we can discuss the arrangements. Go to adventurate.com.au or just comment on the video below. That would be appreciated. Anyway, I hope that's been of use to you. Thanks very much for watching. If it's the first time to my channel, then do subscribe, press notifications. Really, that would be great. That's how you support the channel. And if you like the video, then give it a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm, YouTube algorithm. So anyway, I hope you found this whole video fantastic and informative, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.